number right now is the FT360. That stands for Functional Trainer. It's functional because, as you can see, there are numerous exercises that you can do with this simply by following the directions. It says arm position 6-C. What that means is if I find the number 6 on here, I disengage this and I put it in that number 6 slot, and then it says C. There's also an ABC slot up here. I can disengage this on. So I can follow any of these exercises simply by putting it in the proper position. I'm going to show one of the more common ones that I see in here and I use, which is a cable crossover. These bars will actually swing all the way down on both sides, and it'll swing all the way up by just keeping that pin disengaged. Okay, or maybe slide in and out. But I'm going to show the cable crossover on this. I'm going to step forward, keeping a slight stretch in my chest, and from here, bringing my hands together, I'm going to stretch and contract. Another exercise, you can see how easy this is to use. I can transition from a cable crossover to an arm curl, a cable arm curl, in a matter of seconds. So now, just in a matter of seconds, I went from a cable crossover, okay, to arm curls. And then I can switch into cable shrug. So you can see the machine has quite a few different applications, and I can get a lot of things done in a small amount of space.